Stanley. He's always ready to learn about something new. His favorite book has all the animal secrets. He's proud to say his best friend is a fish. That's right, my man Stan. Oh yeah, my man Stan. Well, Stanley's come up and figure out what life is all about. Chase the sun with dog. Let's get the night into no problem, stand for it's all the shit.